Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to talk about our library management system, which is registration new book. We are from A4CS1104A. Our group members are Nurain Afika binti Abdullah, Nur Afikah binti Johari, Nur Syahidatun Najwa binti Kamarul Anwar, Nur Wahidah binti Abu Qasim, and Nurul Shazrin binti Muhammad Rashmad. Our project objectives are: first, we make it easier for the staff to key in data about the new stocks of arriving books. Second, the staff do not have to record the data manually using stock books, and this will avoid the data to be missing. Third, this system also can total up automatically the total of the new arriving books, and this will make the staff spend less time calculating the new arriving books. And lastly, it can reduce the miscalculating of the new stocks and can avoid many problems that can occur if the books do not have the same amount as the supplier has given. For our team members, Nur Wahidah binti Abu Qasim as a project manager, Nur Syahidatul Najwa binti Kamrul Anwar as a system analyst, Nur Ain Afika binti Abdullah as a database programmer, Nurul Shazrin binti Muhammad Rashmad as a database designer, and Nur Afika binti Johari as a database programmer. For our problem statement, Perpustakaan Tunku Abdul Rahman, PTAR, as well known library at University Technology Mara UiTM. This library have at all branches of UiTM. However, this library do not have a systematic system to record their data. We create a system for their management since they do not have a systematic system. Thus, we doing this to help the library management to avoid data redundancies and data inconsistencies. There is a staff work there and is famous for their best services. However, this library does not have a systematic system. With Adobe Dreamweaver and other software that we develop, the workers can improve their performance. The problems are: first, difficult to register new book arrival. Second, information or data available book was insufficient. Third, data borrowing information was not updated. Fourth, calculate fine for late return. And lastly, calculate and display monthly collection for late penalty.
So this is the context diagram for our library new book registration system. We only have librarian. The librarian registered the information into the library new book registration system, and then the library new book registration system will transfer out the registration detail to the librarian. This one is diagram 0. We only have one entity, 7 processes, and also 3 data stores. The first one, librarian insert the login details into the login process. The second one, librarian insert the new book stock details through a process called add new book details and store the new book stock information into the data store called book stock. The third one, librarian search details through process search book and store the search info into the book stock data store. The fourth one, librarian updated the book details through process update book stock and store the update book data into the book stock data store. The fifth one, librarian delete book data details through process delete book data and store and delete book data information from book stock. The sixth one, librarian insert the staff detail through the process add new librarian registration and store the staff information into the data store called staff. And lastly, we have process 7, which is called management report. It receives the book report from data store called book stock, and also it receives the staff report from data store called staff. And then this process store the monthly report into the next data store, which is called head department.
Okay, this is our entity relationship diagram for our library system management. We have a library entity and a book. Because of library and book have a many-to-many relationship, so we have to create a new management entity for our bridge entity. Why we need to create a new bridge entity? Because it will be easier for our user to register, to manage their data, for example update and search their data.
Let's start. We will start with register that new staff need to fill the blank for the ID, name, username, password, IC, email, number phone and status. So, after we done, we need to click register button. Okay, now we enter to the library management login. We need to put our username and password that we have set at register that we done before. And now we success log in to the library system management home page. And this is our objective. Now we go to the librarian and this is the all staff details and we can update and delete the details. Okay, we need to fill the new librarian registration such as librarian ID, name, username, password, email, phone number, status and management ID. Now, our details have record at the table. Other than that, we also can update our details if we enter incorrect input or want to change a new phone number. Now, we go back to the home page and click search staff. We can search staff details by enter the name. The detail will be displayed at the below. Next, we move to the book registration. This registration needs staff to input the invoice number, title, ISBN number, category, other, language, year published, and book management. And our book success record at the table. We can update the book details such as we can fix the management number. In this case, we need to add number to the ISBN number. If you look at the book's title Flies Away, this is have 12 number of ISBN, but other books such as 55 Petua Orang Berjaya have 13 numbers of ISBN. So, we must fix the ISBN number for the Flies Away books. And our detail is done update. In book search, same goes like search stuff that we need to put title of book that we want. And the detail will appear at the below. Now, we move on to the management registration. This is all of the management details that have registered. And now we need to input the management ID, invoice number, librarian ID, time and date of update. Now we can update and delete the details. At management searcher, we need to input the management ID and the detail will show at the below. If done, user can log out at the system.